So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about Bad Teacher 2011. I will tell you what the movie is about, what I liked in this movie and what I did not like, and if it is worth watching. We will also look at the acting, story and best part of this movie. This review has no spoilers, so let's start guys. Bad Teacher is a comedy film directed by Jake Kasdan, starring Cameron Diaz, Justin Timberlake, and Jason Segel. It is a funny and slightly crazy story about a woman who really does not care about teaching but somehow ends up teaching everyone around her a lesson in her own wild way. The movie follows Elizabeth Hasley, played by Cameron Diaz. She is Leslie selfish and money-hungry teacher who only cares about one thing: marrying a rich guy and quitting her jobs forever. Now, at the start, she is about to marry a wealthy man, but when he breaks up with her, Elizabeth is forced to go back to her job as a middle school teacher. The twist: she is absolutely hates her job, hates the kids, and even hates doing any real teaching. But when a new handsome subtitles teacher, Scott DeClairot, played by Justin Timberlake, joins the school and she learns he comes from a rich family. Elizabeth suddenly becomes very interested in her job again. Uh, what makes Bad Teacher enjoyable? It is honesty and humor. It does not try to be emotional or serious. It just wants to make you laugh, and it does not that very well. The jokes are bold, scary, and sometimes a little inappropriate, but that's what gives the movie is style. However, the movie is not for everyone. Some people might find the humor too adult or the main character too selfish. It is not a family friendly film. It is more for people who enjoy dark comedy and characters with attitude. What I liked in this movie: Cameron Diaz's bold and funny performance, clever sketched humor and witty dialogues, and the great chemistry between Diaz, Timberlake, and Siegel. What I did not like in this movie: some jokes are a bit too adult or over the top. The story is simple and predictable, not suitable for viewers expecting a heartwarming message. Bad Teacher is a fun and light comedy that does not take itself seriously. It is perfect when you just want to relax, laugh, and watch Cameron Diaz do crazy things in a classroom. If you like comedy movies with bold characters and no filters, this one is definitely worth watching. That's my review of Bad Teacher 2011. Did you like the movie or was there something you did not like? Write your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to read them. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.